Hello, looking to expand your business? Converting your one-person company, OPC, into a private limited company could be the best step toward growth. In this video, we'll explain why, when, and how you can smoothly transition to a private limited company and unlock new opportunities for your business. Why convert OPC to private limited company? So, why should you consider converting your OPC to a private limited company? Here's why. More investors and capital. A private limited company can have up to 200 shareholders, making fundraising easier. Greater business opportunities. You'll become eligible for government contracts and public tenders. Stronger credibility. This conversion boosts investor and customer confidence. Limited liability protection. Just like an OPC, you'll continue to enjoy limited liability, protecting your personal assets. Corporate governance and growth. With more directors, decision-making improves, and your business can scale faster. Legal framework for conversion. The legal framework for converting your OPC to a private limited company is governed by Section 18 of the Companies Act, 2013. It allows the conversion of an OPC into a private limited company. Rule 7 of the Companies Incorporation Rules, 2014. This rule defines the entire conversion process. Step-by-step conversion process. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to convert your OPC into a private limited company. 1. Pass a special resolution. The sole OPC member must approve the conversion through a resolution. 2. Check eligibility. Conversion is required if O. Paid-up capital, Rs 50 lakhs, ORO annual turnover, Rs 2 crores. 3. Apply to the Registrar of Companies, ROC. Submit necessary documents, such as O. Updated MOA and AOA, Memorandum and Articles of Association, O. Special Resolution copy, O. Director and shareholder details. 4. ROC approval. The registrar will review and process your application. 5. Issuance of Certificate of Incorporation. Once approved, your OPC is officially converted into a private limited company. Forms required. The following forms are required for the conversion process. INC 6, Application for Conversion. MGT 14, Filing of Special Resolution. DIR 12, Appointment of new directors, if applicable. INC 22, Address change, if required. Documents required. You'll need the following documents for the conversion: Certificate of Incorporation of OPC, MOA and AOA, Memorandum and Articles of Association, consent from the sole member, proof of registered office address, Director Identification Number, DIN, and Digital Signature Certificate, DSC, financial statements, balance sheet, P&L, etc. Post-conversion compliance. Once your OPC is converted into a private limited company, here's what you need to do. Annual returns filing. Conduct annual general meetings, AGMs. Maintain statutory registers. Tax compliance and auditor appointment. Conversion timeline and cost. Processing time. The conversion typically takes 15 to 30 days. Costs include O. Government fees, O. Legal and professional service charges, O. Filing fees. How Filings Corner can help? At Filings Corner, we make the entire OPC to private limited company conversion smooth and legally compliant. Expert consultation. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get expert assistance on your conversion. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.